bounce a track in Logic Pro. I got this track here, and simply go to File, Bounce, Project or Section. I'll bounce it as a MP3, depending on what you need. This will be an MP3 if you go to Wave. This one here, this will be a Wave, sorry, PCM, and this will be a Wave MP3. I'll always export it as a 320 kilobytes per second because that's the highest resolution. And then I always bounce it on real time, not offline. I do it in real time because that allows me to hear the song as it's being bounced. And if I hear any errors during bounce, I'll cancel it, make the change, and then I'll rebounce it. So let's jump into the bounce. This song is by me on the chorus, singing a chorus for a client. I'm a freelancer on Fiverr, so if you need any vocals or anything like that, always give me a shout. But this is for a client. Hummy Sing, he asked me to write the vocals and perform them, so that's what I did. Let's jump into it.
Where's the soul in the song? Where's the truth in the beat? All this glitz and glam, it ain't what we need. Reach deeper, break free, let the realness show. Music's meant for the heart, not the glitter and gold. Where's the soul in the song? Where's the truth in the beat? All this glitz and glam, it ain't what we need. Reach deeper, break free, let the realness show. Music's meant for the heart, not the glitter and gold.
That is it. Bounce is complete. Like I said, I bounce it on real time so I can hear what's going on. And now it's exporting the track, and now I'll send it off to the client. So that is how you essentially bounce a song in Logic Pro. Very simple. If you've got any questions or concerns about bouncing, about songs, mixing, if you need me to perform some vocals, some backing vocals on your track, just give me a heads up, man, and we'll do it. Take care. Peace.